In this video, I'd like to show you our recent visit to La Blanche Island Bodrum, a hotel located just 15 kilometers from the airport, in the First Bay, on its very own Pina Peninsula. Next to some of the most prestigious and expensive hotels in Bodrum, such as Lujo and Titanic Luxury Collection, but at the same time, the price of this hotel is much more attractive. So, does it make sense to come here? Let's explore this together. And one final thing before we get started, like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell, because exciting new reviews are coming soon. A quick 15-minute drive from Bodrum Airport takes you straight to the hotel. You will be greeted with welcome drinks and treats. Check-in went pretty quickly for us, but it all depends on the arrival time. If you arrive early, just leave your luggage at the reception, and you can start enjoying all the facilities right away. We got there a little early, so we went straight to the main restaurant for lunch. I didn't really like the rather dated interior inside, and the food they served was also pretty mediocre. It honestly left me feeling disappointed. But my impression changed significantly when we stepped out onto the restaurant's terrace, which offered a beautiful view. And the food selection there was more interesting and fresh. Many dishes were being grilled right in front of us. To sum it up, the terrace became our top choice right away. Live performances, an incredible sunset. Need I say more? Overall, the food at the hotel is fairly standard, and inside the restaurant, it's quite hard to find something truly well prepared. But if you look around, you can still find something to your taste. The desserts stood out the most, colorful, but made with cheap ingredients, which you could taste right away, leaving no desire to go back for more. But I guess isn't always a bad thing, especially if, like me, you're trying to lose weight. In addition to the main restaurant, the hotel has several la carte restaurants. Martin is a Turkish cuisine restaurant with a stunning view and authentic design. If you're a fan of Turkish cuisine, this is definitely the place for you. Sakura restaurant offers Japanese cuisine. Just keep in mind, Japanese cuisine in Turkey is not exactly close to the authentic flavor. Vera restaurant specializes in seafood and fish dishes, located on the pier and requiring a paid reservation. During the day, it operates as a beach snack bar, and in the evening, it offers a romantic atmosphere with a view of the sunset. In addition to this, the hotel features several snack restaurants around the beach and pool areas, and of course, several bars offering some imported drinks as well. Pulcinella serves Italian cuisine and works from 12 to 5 as a snack bar within la carte menu. Shima restaurant offers grilled and barbecue dishes, so you can always count on finding a spot for a quick bite or your favorite drink. While the room is in obvious need of renovation, the view from the balcony is absolutely mesmerizing. The AC functioned properly, and the room was well soundproofed. Plus, all standard essentials are provided in the room. And I truly believe that if the hotel decides to invest in modernizing the rooms, it will greatly increase its potential, but most likely, the price as well. And now let's move on to the most exciting feature of this hotel, its wide variety of beaches. As you may remember, the hotel is located on its own peninsula and boasts quite an extensive stretch of beaches. Each of them has its own unique features and can differ significantly in character. What's especially important is that there are beaches here to suit every taste. Whether it's a shallow entry beach with a playground for little ones, a coral beach for snorkeling lovers, a pier beach near the bars with a more lively vibe, or a completely secluded spot where you'll feel like you're on a deserted island. I took a walk along the entire shoreline of the hotel and filmed a video of my walk so you can see and evaluate them for yourself. The link will be in the description or right here. Check it out if you'd like more details. And here's something I think you'll love. The hotel actually offers free cabanas both on the beach and by the pool. The complimentary ones are the lighter style with a metal frame and fabric curtains. But if you want the classic wooden cabanas with full service right on the beach or pier, those come at an extra charge. And just a couple more words about the animation and activities offered in the hotel. In the kids club, there are various programs throughout the day, and there's also a shaded playground, so children can play comfortably at any time of the day. They've even thought of a nap room with little beds for the youngest guests. The hotel offers a pool with slides for little ones, as well as separate slides for adults and older kids. At night, there's a lively mini disco for kids, complete with an entertaining program. So there's always something going on if you're in the mood for entertainment. At the same time, if you prefer a quiet evening, you can simply relax at one of the bars. And now, a few words about my personal impressions of the hotel. It's not new, and in many areas you can definitely feel that. The hotel is built on a cascade, so you'll need to walk quite a bit to reach the beach. Something to keep in mind if you have mobility issues. But the stunning nature of the Aegean coast, the breathtaking views, the hotel's attention to detail when it comes to your stay, and importantly, the still affordable price. All of this, in my opinion, makes the hotel one of the more interesting options in this region. Dream big, travel more, and I'll see you in the next video.
All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of